Right. Kingdom Plantae, the plant kingdom. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the lesson 3, the Kingdom Plantae or the plant kingdom. In this chapter, we are going to deal with the system of classification, how the plant kingdoms are being classified. So when you deal with the plant kingdom is classified under natural or the artificial type of classification. Under natural conditions or natural type of classification, we consider all the characteristic features like morphology, anatomy, embryology, and other ultrastructure of the phytochemistry. And in artificial type of your classification, we classify the world or we classify the plants under a specific type of characters. For example, the kind of leaves or the structure of androecium, structure of gynoecium, and all. Right. The natural system of classification was given Bentham and Hooker, and this was given by Linnaeus. Right. Now, when you talk about the natural or the artificial type of classification, you have another type called the phylogenetic classification. It is a type of classification based on the evolutionary relationship of the organism. Consider that all the organisms belong to the same taxa, have a common ancestors. Numerical taxonomy. When you call a numerical taxonomy, done with the help of computers, where the large number of characters are taken and assigned as the number or the code, then the data is processed. Cytotaxonomy uses psychological characteristics based on number, type of chromosomes, and their behavior. Okay. Reproduction. When you talk about the reproduction, the vegetative type, asexual type, or the sexual type. Right. The plant kingdom is classified vegetatively. When you talk about vegetatively, either the fragmentation, one fragment grows into the another, or the new thallus. Asexual, with the help of zoospores, motile germinate to give rise to the new organism. Sexual, with the help of gametes. Isogamous and isogamous, or the oogamous. When you talk about the thallus, right, thallus is another important thing in plant kingdom, where you have this thallus is a shoot-like structure. When you talk about the shoot-like structure, varies unicellular form like Chlamydomonas, massive fronds or laminaria, filamentous type Spirogyra, Eurothrix, or the colonial forms or the volvox. Economic importance: about 50% of the CO2 is being fixed by the algae. Right? Almost all the aquatic food chains begin from them. Mainly, they are the main producers, and they increase the dissolved oxygen in the surrounding water. They used as a food laminaria and other things in the space Shargam and the other one. Many of them produce phyco or the hydrocolloids that have a high water holding capacities. Example: algin by brown algae, carrageen by red algae. Some producers agar, PDA by Gracilaria or the geranium, used in preparing growing microbes, cultures, jellies, and etc. Algae are being classified under that is a common name with the Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, or the Rhodophyceae. Chloro green algae, Phaeo brown algae, Rhodophyceae red algae. Example: Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Eurothrix, Fucus, Ectocarpus, Shargam, or the laminarian. Polysiphonia, Porifera, Gelidium, Gracilaria. These are your red algae. Now, based on the basic features, they are being further classified as a plant body. Common differences: with the help of pigments we can classify them, with the help of stored food we can classify them, with the cell wall structure we can classify them. Right. Plant body: unicellular, Chlamydomonas; colonial, Volvox, filamentous, Eurothrix, or the Spirogyra. Variations: simple filamentous to profusely branched, as in the kelps or the 100-meter in height. Most of them are multicellular with a complex body organization, that is a Rhodophyceae. Pigments. When you talk about the pigments, the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are profusely shaped chloroplast, discoid cup-shaped plates like starch or the stored bodies. Chlorophyll A and C, carotenoids, xanthophylls, and their fucoxanthids are being present. Then chlorophyll A and D, phycoerythrin is present. Then the stored food. When you talk about the stored food, now see, The pyrenoids, they have starch or the protein, some store oil droplets. Laminarian, mannitol, cellulosic or the outside gelatinous coating of the, you have algin, and their Floridian starch or the glycogen or the cellulose. Cell wall structure, inner layer of cellulose or the outer layer of pectose is present. Plant body into the anchoring structure is present, and here the cell structure contains the cellulose. When you talk about the reproduction, the fragmentation is being done in all the three type of algae, okay, as well as the vegetative reproduction is being done. When you talk about the sexual reproduction, yes, the sexual reproduction is being done either by the oogamous or by the oogamous or by the anisogamous or the oogamous. That is your isogamous. That is, they produce the gametes. When they produce the gametes, they also produce the spores, right? They also produce the spores in all the three types. They have a proper type of reproduction, like they have the proper oogamy or the isogamy or the anisogamy. Is it clear to you all? Okay.